Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can use Pinduoduo in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and let's get on with this tutorial. Now, let's say you've got a Pinduoduo account and you want to buy something from Pinduoduo. So you're going to log in into your Pinduoduo account. You're going to browse the category that you want: foods, electrical appliances, groceries, shoes and bags, and so on and so forth. You can choose to display items in a variety of ways, including filtering them as overall ranking, top sales or price, or choose items directly based on price and appearance. The product detail page itself will show you, amongst other things, buy alone, group order and product variation. Step 5 is to add the items to the cart. Step 6, proceed to the checkout, enter shipping address, select payment method and proceed the payment. Enter your shipping address, which will be your recipient, phone number, location and location details. Please fill in your unique BoxQ ID as recipient, phone numbers as warehouse contact numbers. Set BoxQ's warehouse address as the shipping address. You can obtain all this info from BoxQ app. After that, click Save. Select payment method. Payment methods are WeChat and Alipay. Confirm payment amount and place order. And you can track your parcel by going to the profile menu at the bottom right corner, then click to receive button. And you can be able to see from this screenshot. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Oh, sorry.